Let's talk about a supercar that still scares brand new hypercars, the McLaren 720S. Even years after its release, the 720S still looks futuristic. The design is clean, aggressive, and purposeful. Those iconic headlights aren't just for style, they channel air into the car, giving it a look that's instantly recognizable. Low, wide, and incredibly sharp, the 720S looks like it's moving even when parked. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the driver, is a twin-turbo V8 that delivers insane performance. This car doesn't just feel fast, it feels violent when you push it. Acceleration is instant, smooth, and relentless, and the sound is pure McLaren, deep, mechanical, and aggressive without being messy. What really separates the 720S is how easy it is to drive fast. The steering is razor-sharp, visibility is surprisingly good, and the car feels lightweight and planted at all times. Whether you're cruising through the city or attacking a corner, it feels confident and predictable. Inside, the cabin is minimal and driver-focused. Everything wraps around you. The digital display folds down in track mode, the materials feel premium, and the seating position is perfect. It's not overloaded with buttons, just clean, modern, and purposeful. Compared to rivals like Ferrari and Lamborghini, the 720S feels more precise and more technical. It's less about drama and more about speed and control. Even today, it can go head-to-head with much newer supercars and still win. The McLaren 720S proves that great design and engineering don't age quickly. It's a modern classic, and one of the most complete supercars ever made.